Welcome to our video on the importance of improving math skills in English. With advancements in technology and the growth of international business, English has become a global language. Therefore, it is crucial for students to have a strong foundation in English, particularly when it comes to mathematical concepts. Mathematics is a subject that deals with numbers, equations, and formulas. It requires a lot of analytical skills and the ability to think critically. However, for non-native English speakers, learning math can be particularly challenging. This is because students must learn math concepts while also learning the English language. Therefore, improving math skills in English requires a lot of effort and dedication. Learning a new language can be daunting, but it is essential for students who want to succeed in their academic and professional lives. Having a strong foundation in English will help students to communicate better, understand instructions, and comprehend mathematical concepts. Language barriers can make it difficult for students to learn math, but there are several strategies that can help. Some students find it helpful to take extra English classes or hire a tutor who specializes in teaching math in English. This can provide students with the extra support they need to understand complex concepts. Additionally, students should try to practice their English skills as much as possible by reading math textbooks in English, watching educational videos, and practicing speaking and writing in English. Improving math skills in English is essential for students who want to succeed academically and professionally. It requires a lot of effort and dedication, but there are many strategies that can help students overcome language barriers and improve their understanding of mathematical concepts. With practice and determination, students can develop strong analytical skills and become successful problem solvers in any field. Thank you for watching.